The tension between leadership and analysis is something that I confronted, I suppose, last Friday when I went to what was billed as a seminar on local government reform or potential local government reform in the greater Waikato region. So that's the area where we're based. In the proximity of our city, Hamilton, there is several territorial authorities, and then there's a regional council which goes much, much wider. And the starting points for this seminar seem to be some posturing that we need to abolish the regional council, we need to bring together the territorial authorities, and then we need to look after the local interests with some sort of community board structure so that everybody's involved. And it was a long time before the question started to arise as to why we should be doing this. And in fact, the conversation really was about, we need strong leadership. We need somebody who's going to champion this. We need to move now and everything will be better. So we need leadership. Who is going to lead this? Would it be the mayor of Hamilton City? Would it be somebody else who would be the leader? But then when we started to think about it, and we could see the changing demographic trends and the population ageing and how things were evolving in terms of land use and technology, it became much more obvious that there was need for harmonisation or bringing together of efforts in areas such as water, as roading and sewerage. So it was infrastructural issues that were really the key to driving more economic success, raising productivity and regional economic development, and hopefully living standards and employment opportunities for our young folk. So it was really not that we needed to abolish the regional council or we needed a super city approach. Now this may be part of the success story, it may be what we will end up with, but the question was, how do we get better economic development through our council structures, whether it is one council or many? Can we actually achieve the type of investment we need? And so leadership on one hand is making a snap decision, potentially after the analysis, but pushing forward. Analysis, on the other hand, wants to sit back, think about it, look at alternative models, run simulations, and yet this has not been done in the Waikato as yet. We are embarking on a debate about the changing of local government structure with still very little information about why that would be better than any other alternate solution.